How to convert PDF file to JPG. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to our channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can convert PDF file to JPG. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up any of your preferred browser. After that, head towards the search bar and there type in PDF to JPG, then search for it. Now from your search results, you have to head towards the first link on your interface. Click on it. So this is a free website where you can convert your PDF to JPG. So select this PDF file button and click on it. Now from your device, you have to select the PDF that you would like to convert it into JPG. For example, I have one PDF right here. And then click on Open. Now from your left hand side, you have to choose Paste to JPG. And under that, there is image quality. You can choose from there, normal or really high. So you can choose the recommended one, that is normal. Once done, click on Convert to JPG. After the file is converted to JPG, now you can download the images for the JPG image. So that's how you can convert your PDF into JPG, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.